Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara, and here we do unboxings and reviews on skincare, beauty, makeup, y'all know. So today I have Chic, and I like Chic. I loved Chic in the very beginning, but I don't know, it's kind of fell off a little bit for me the last few months. So let's unbox this and see what we have. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. I see you guys, every comment, the shares, I get a couple. Like, I appreciate it more than you know. So yeah, let's unbox the Chic. So the cool thing with Chic is they give you a couple of things to pick from and you choose what you want. The thing is the picks, unlike, or alike, I should say, another brand, the picks have kind of gone downhill. So, you know. So we're going to start with the Cab Day and Night, which I've already got this. I got it a while back, I think, in Ipsy. I'm not sure. But I have already received this. And I mean, it's a good palette. Like, I mean, those are great colors. So, I mean, yeah. I mean, yeah. I don't know. I mean, they're okay. It feels nice. Okay, so that was Midnight. This is Starlight. So, I mean, obviously, that's I mean, that's impressive. That one was called Stella, and then we'll do Golden Hour. Yeah, okay. So there's Golden Hour. So those are good colors. Like, they go on really well. It's just, I've already got it in another box, and obviously, like, it didn't impress me enough to keep using it because it's packed away somewhere. So, you know. All right, so next we have Exfoliate and Glow by Revlon. And, I mean, is this like a head? Alright. Okay, so it's not just a head. Like, I was thinking that it was like a head to an attachment, but it's not. So I'm not hating that. Like, I really like these kind of cleansing things. You know, most of them come with like an attachment, and they either like vibrate or, you know, so that's just like a head. So that's cool. Like, it feels nice, and, you know, you can get some definite, like, you can get in there, you know. Okay, so next we have Bare Minerals Mineralist. See, that's what, like, I feel like they're just kind of getting late to the ball game. Like, I already have most of this stuff. I mean, that's pretty. And it's crazy just how far I've came in the lipstick, because I used to never wear pink or red, and now all of a sudden, like, I'm totally doing pink and red. But I mean, I guess that's how it goes. Like, you grow and, you know, you get comfortable. Santa, please bring me a new tripod. I need it so bad. Okay, so next we have Dark Horse Retro Liner. And I'm sorry, I still kind of have the sniffles. I actually called into work yesterday. First time in a year and a couple months of being there that I've ever called in. So I do kind of still have the sniffles. All right. So I usually don't like these kind of liners. It's just not my thing. Like, I'm pretty sure like you add water and so that's the color. Like, I don't know. Like, it's just not my thing. Like, I almost ordered the Bailey Saron. I think that's the way you say her last name. The Murder a Mystery box. And when I read the reviews, it was all like eyeliners. And it was this kind of eyeliner. And I'm just not great enough with eyeliners. And I'm just not good enough at it. So, I mean, these are cool, but this will definitely, this is going to go to Autumn. I'll tell you that. It's not going to go in a giveaway. It is going to go to Autumn because I know that she likes them. All right, so last but not least, already is a brush. And we all know I love brushes. So this is a Luxe Performance Bare Minerals. Okay, so it's a Bare Minerals brush. I actually just used one of these brushes. It was an older brush that I got from I can't think. Like, it was really fancy looking, and I hadn't used it for a while, so I used it today. Like, I got it from not Smashbox. What was that old, there was a box that I used to get, and it was a lot of stuff that you could get from Temu. And once I realized that you could get all that stuff from Temu, like, I stopped getting the box, but it came from China, and there was some good stuff in it. Like, that brush was amazing. Like, it was like cool and it worked well. So, but if I can go get it off of Temu for 10 cents, then why am I going to pay like $30 for a box whenever I can just kind of go order it, you know, with a bunch of stuff that I actually want. So anyway, so Bare Minerals, you got one of those. I mean, like, the way that I used it earlier was I used it for bronzer, and I used it to kind of, you know, blend it out. So I don't know. It doesn't say what kind of brush it is. It's just Bare Minerals Luxe. Luxe Performance. That's all that it says. So, yeah. And I mean, that's it. Like, that's it. I swear, whenever I first started getting this box was a little bit bigger. Like, hang on, let me totally close it, because I think that kind of tells the tale. Like, it used to be a little bit bigger, and now, like, it's kind of tiny. And for the price, which, it's like 1 month I'll pay like 42, and then the next month I'm paying 59. So I'm about ready to tell them to kiss my booty, because this is not worth it. Like, I love the fact that you can pick, but they're not giving you good enough picks. And if they're not giving you good enough picks, like, even if the box is small, they could fill this with things that are amazing, right? Right. So, Chic is one of those. It's by monthly. You get it every 2 months. And I don't know. I'm just not. I used to get so excited when this came, and I used to get a bunch of views on it. And now nobody's even watching whenever I get the box, and it's because it's just not good anymore. The best thing that I got was the cab, and I mean this is an old thing. Like, you need to get with a program. Like, you need to, like, I mean, if you're gonna do a palette that is like selling, not like something that I can go get at TJ Maxx for $9.99, right? $5.99. All right. So Chic is one that I'm about done with, and this is, I mean, I've not been making a lot of videos lately, and it's just because I've become so just bogged down with bad boxes, and I really don't know what to do. I'm trying to order new stuff, but there's not a lot of new stuff to order from. So I love getting the sub boxes. I love the mystery, but like truly, like their boxes, god dang it, they're $125, and it's just the stuff that they put in it. It's just not worth it. Um, Chick, like $60 for that, like it's not worth it. So I don't know. I'm really digging and trying to find, and I've found a couple of boxes that I'll get within the next couple of weeks. I've been more happy with the stuff that I'm getting free from Influencer, but with that, you never know. Like, there was a solid week that I got something from them every day. And literally, it was everything from a dining set, 600 and some dollar dining set, to a toilet seat, which was actually kind of expensive. Like, I think it was like $60. But a door handle, like, but the thing about it is you get like a bunch of stuff and then you don't hear from them for a week, 2 weeks, probably a month. I don't know. So I don't know. Like, I'm just kind of in a weird place right now. But, just stick with me. Like, I'm going to keep doing these videos. I'm going to keep trying, holiday is not an easy time. So just stick with me, and I promise to keep bringing you like decent reviews and unboxings the best that I can. Like, there's just not a lot of good stuff to unbox anymore. So all right, I'm going to shut up now, and I will see you guys in the next. Bye.